Starting a Faceless Channel, Part 4. This channel is making more than doctor salaries. With AI, you can do the same. First, copy the video's URL and paste it into a tool that grabs the thumbnail. Then let ChatGPT describe this image in the form of a prompt and put it into any text-to-image generator for similar results. Now animate the image like this and turn it into a loop. Now go to this website, express your type of song and click Generate to get royalty-free music. Or another option is to click here, go for genre, lo-fi, pick a song you like, and click Regenerate so you can create a playlist more matched with your style. Here's an example.